Do you know who the most dangerous man in your city is? Picture him. You already know what he looks like. The way he walks, talks, and owns every room he steps into. He's the guy who seems untouchable. He's got the money, the connections, the power, and everyone knows his name. But here's the real question. Why isn't your name the one people are talking about? Why aren't you the one they can't ignore? Right now, that man is ahead of you. He's richer, more connected, more respected, but he's not unbeatable. You can take his spot. You can become the most dangerous man in your city. And it starts right here, right now. Step 1, get your money right. Money is power. It's influence. It's what gets you in the rooms where decisions are made. The most dangerous man, he's not sitting around broke scrolling through his phone. He's out there making moves, stacking cash, and building his empire. If you're not making money, you're just a spectator in someone else's game. Learn a skill, start a hustle, do what it takes. Because the man with money always has the upper hand. Step 2, build connections. No one rises alone. The most dangerous man has the most powerful people in his corner, ready to back him, open doors for him, and expand his reach. That's why he's ahead of you. You've got to put yourself out there, meet people, earn their respect, build a network so strong that when you move, the city moves with you. Connections aren't just relationships, they're power. Step 3, dominate your presence. You can have all the money and connections in the world, but if you don't command respect, you'll never hold the throne. The most dangerous man doesn't just show up, he owns every space he walks into. Your presence is built by discipline, effort, and self-respect. Dress like you mean business, speak like you're in control, and carry yourself like you already own the place. When your presence is undeniable, people will line up to follow you. The most dangerous man isn't just the richest. He isn't just the most connected. He's the one who has it all, the money, the relationships, the respect, and knows how to use it. He doesn't wait for opportunities, he creates them. And you can be him, but you've got to make the choice. Keep sitting in the background, watching someone else win. Or step up, work harder, and take what's yours. Every second you waste is a second someone else is using to get ahead. That man you pictured in your mind, he's real. He's out there building wealth, growing his network, and making moves. And if you don't act now, he'll stay ahead of you forever. So here's the challenge. Make more money, build stronger connections, walk into every room like you own it. Because when you combine all three, you don't just catch up, you take over. You don't just become the most dangerous man, you become unbeatable. So stop wasting time. Stop waiting for permission. Take control, build your empire, and show the world who the real most dangerous man in the city is.